one more?
I think he's one more.
Bro, look at this shit box. Look at this shit box.
Shoes, pants.
Remember, we were trying to get you to financially waste your money. What's up, y'all? Going to WINFO. As I was saying, today's like the 8th of February, I think. I don't know. But we're going to WINFO, a little calm WINFO, non-serious. So, yeah. Wow. Ooh.
Define aura moment.
Ooh. What happened? Can you grab my SIPA?
It's a define aura moment. Yeah.
Which parent's car is better?
Daddy's money, aura.
You couldn't get out of them no more.
Ooh.
I'm 6'3". Well, wait till I get to his weight, then no.
Alright, bro.
What's yapping?
That's the first one of the night, bro. How many eyebrows we got on the night?
A few. Does that count?
Yeah. No, the how many eyebrows?
Yeah, that counts.
How many
eyebrows?
I'm dying.
Alright, bro.
What are you pointing at? 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 A whole lot of blue?
No, it's to David. Getting up just makes me instant swallow. I just have to
pause.
He's not being a jackass.
I'll have the rest. Okay, I just said I'd have the rest.
But didn't know when.
Now.
Right? No. I gotta try them out. Oh, this one's filled.
Watch out, Schmidt, you're gonna run into people.
Yo, Shuttle!
There he goes.
Ready to hit it, baby. Still ready to hit it, baby. You've been waiting, and I've been more than patient. Ain't no girl inside this flesh can make me make you stop in my face, baby. 6 minutes, I'm rocking this steady, girl. You better believe it. And if I don't, you know I will. Make sense of the sex appeal, oh yeah.
When the hell does Schmidt stop at stop signs?
They both share different cars.
David, should we park by them?
No. Say hi to the vlog, Schmitty.
What's up, vloggers?
Yeah, feel that Jaggy. Feel that Jaggy Waggy.
Fill it up, eat it up, eat it up. Oh yeah, you love that. Good old 91. Like, not that I know of. I haven't found any places yet.
Lano says I am using tropics.
Oh, no music.
Someone shoot her.
Good lord.
Some light, some light. Mr. Johnson. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
How are we?
Pretty good.
That's what's up.
Yeah, you know why we fucked it up on last time?
Why?
It's because you remember how we were supposed to put it on the outside?
Yeah.
We're supposed to put it on the inside of the window, bro.
Yeah, I knew.
Because I was doing it.
Oh, it's so bad. Oh, you took it off, or did you put it back on the inside?
One missing
No,
the
I
rim, bro?
just like took it off.
One has
Kinda.
no rim.
What? How did this even happen? What is this?
I don't know, bro.
Double R with the really used rim.
Is this on the inside?
Yeah.
Well, that's why.
Donut if you're using slang.
You got a whole fish bowl.
Hey.
New Kobe's.
Hey.
They don't look very new.
They're like 1 week old.
They don't look very new, dog.
Why they got carbon fiber on them?
She had a torn ACL, so they did a big surgery on her leg in early December.
I'm gonna get the aesthetic off shot.
This might be Giannis and Bada Valentine. Just to Google it later.
I can get up there, I just can't get the ball over.
Unathletic as hell, bro.
Landry, I think Brendan might have more bounce than you.
It's microscopically touching the ground.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does. He can do that on a 10.
I don't know. I want to.
I have $500 on the color of the game.
There's gotta be
Throw it
purple.
over, Drake. Drake be betting on it.
That's not the shot.
No, he's not.
I swear, he's
He got cut on his main score. Oh, Valentine!
Valentine, that is not the shot.
Giannis, I'm about to come. That is not the shot.
Check up.
Yep.
Dad, is
Boom, 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 boom.
Watch this dunk. This is for the edit.
Truly genuine.
Hey, y'all ready for the hezzy pull?
I can edit that.
Schmidt, your turn.
Necklace is backwards, Schmidt.
You trying to get it out of bounds?
Knockdown.
Toes on the line, toes on the line.
Step back.
Pull it. Schmidt.
Oh,
Luka Doncic.
shoot it.
Chris Paul hits a clutch three to cut the lead at 42. Back out.
I wasn't recording for that one. You're kidding.
Are you serious? No OT tonight.
Where are they grilling? Hot dogs or burgers?
Ball game. Call me Aiden Dick.
Doing? No, it's actually very smart. Okay. Because like what you do is actually smart with the actual people that you do try to catch. Right. No, it's called you.
Buddy, you think you're Pride Rock?
Red Rocket, Red Rocket, Red. That was in yours. That was in yours. Fine aura.
Alright, the lights are out. That means the Apple.
If I let my intrusive thoughts, then I could just.
When we come back here on Fox, is Kendrick Lamar.
The energy only circulate through us. Everybody must be judged. But this time God only favoring us. 20 years here still got.
Oh my God, he's doing that!
The Johnny and you, Dr. Technical government cheese, but now I can seize the government too. Killing the fools, the color was pink and brown, but now the honey and blue.
Committed, I'm a stargazer. Life goes on, I know my baby's got.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. I keep a horn on me that come I see. I peek, all the shit, the blueprint.
Shut up, I'm trying to listen. It's to get off, I get off at my feet. Till they get chipped by a throwaway. And I might do a show a day. Once a lame, always a lame.
Say, ladies, do me.
If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply.
This world was mine, I'd take your hand and
Alright, when does
Beat ho freak though, went to your freak though. Aim my lambs to the T though. Then could across, he walked on the T's though. What's up with these jabroni ass trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all in minimum. I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on his body, I'm John locked in. Beat your ass how the Bible guy watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show. Say Drake. He's looking straight at the camera.
You already know Drake's watching this right now, and he's just.
make sure you hide your little sister from him. They say she's not the only one that get your hand-me-down.
You already know Drake's watching this, and there's steam coming out of his ears right now.
Certified lover boy, certified pedophile. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord in this probably A minor. Turn her TV off. Turn her TV off.
Nah, let me get it.
No.
Win the ball. No.
Hey, let's make the game-winning point just a bunch of.
I thought she loved me. Bang. Boom.
Oh yeah. Oh.
That's game point.
We have one more to game it.
6-10.
Give me that bang.